everyone, and welcome back to another episode of High Events. We're at the CCC Mall atrium for the much anticipated red carpet premiere of Wicked for Good, brought to you by Universal Pictures, Liberty Cinemas, and Scope Cinemas. Tonight, Sri Lankan fans get a first look at the magic of Oz, from the incredible music to the story that reminds us that there are two sides to every tale. We'll be chatting with guests and partners to find out what they're most excited about for tonight before heading into the Dolby Atmos screening. There's much in store for tonight, so stay tuned. I'm Abigail, and this is High Events. So I'm currently joined by Supun, who is the CEO of Colombo City Centre. Supun, how are you doing tonight, and are you excited for the premiere?
Yes, exactly. I'm very much excited to see the movie.
Same. So Supun, I just want to ask you, how does it feel to have Scope select Colombo City Centre to host this wonderful premiere?
Yeah, so it's a very special day for all of us at CCC today. Wicked is premiering here at Scope, here at CCC. So the relationship between Scope and Colombo City Centre goes for long years back. During all these years with Scope, we have brought in a lot of interesting, good concepts, contents to the Sri Lankan viewers. And I invite everyone to join and enjoy the movie here with their families and enjoy the F&B offerings that we have at the mall, the retail and fashion international brands that we have. And also going to the future with Scope, we are already in discussions with Scope for the next year. There are a lot of events that we have planned already. Lot of premieres that will happen at CCC next year. There will be offers. We are giving it to the customers and to ensure the customer entertainment at most.
So I'm currently joined by Anne-Marie, who is the head of marketing at Colombo City Centre. Anne-Marie, how are you feeling tonight, and are you excited for the movie?
Yes, we're super excited today. We're actually happy to partner with Scope Cinemas for this premiere. We've done this before with Scope, but it's happening for the first time here at the atrium of Colombo City Centre. All the other premieres, the activations we've done with them has been at their premises, but bringing it here to the atrium adds more value, more awareness for both Scope and for CCC.
Okay, that's really wonderful. So what do you all have in store for the future?
So we've got a lot happening here in the mall, with Black Friday being just around the corner and this upcoming season. We've got so much planned for both adults and kids. So I invite everyone to come visit CCC during the upcoming season, and also to follow us on our socials so that you could get to know, be updated on all the events, activities and the surprises that we have in store for you.
So I'm currently joined by Riaz Hashim, who is the distributor with Liberty Cinemas. Riaz, how are you feeling tonight, and are you excited for the movie?
Yes, of course I am excited to see the movie.
Same, I am excited as well. So Riaz, could you tell us how it feels to bring such a globally loved film to the big screen in Sri Lanka?
Because it's a box office film, that's how we were able to bring it down.
And so what do you hope the fans will take away from this? Do you hope they have an amazing experience tonight?
Hopefully, yes.
So I'm currently joined by Tasha. Tasha, how are you feeling tonight?
I am feeling really good.
So could you please tell me what you're most excited to see tonight at the movie?
Yes, I'm most excited to see what happens to Galinda and Elphaba's friendship and sisterhood by the end of the movie.
Yes, very much so. That's a big part of the first movie. So could you please tell us, are you more Team Glinda or Team Elphaba?
I think I'm more a team Elphaba.
Oh, why is that?
I like how she stands up for what she believes in, and she doesn't let others influence her into picking something that she doesn't believe in. So yeah.
Yes, that's a very lovely trait about her. So finally, my last question to you is, could you give the camera your best toss?
Yes, of course.
So I'm currently joined by Talia. Talia, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling really excited to watch the movie, and yeah.
So what are you most excited to see in the movie tonight?
I really want to see what happens to Glinda and Elphaba, because in the last movie it was just a really good ending.
It was a cliffhanger, right?
Yeah.
I guess we're all excited to see what happens to them. Could you please tell us, are you more Team Glinda or Team Elphaba?
Team Glinda.
Why is that?
I don't know.
You just feel more like Glinda?
Yeah.
What an incredible night tonight has been. We've just left the theatres and it did not disappoint. Fans have walked out feeling emotional and even a little misty-eyed. A huge thank you to Universal Pictures, Liberty Cinemas and Scope Cinemas for bringing us this wonderful opportunity. And thank you to everyone who has joined us in a spirit of friendship, music and a little bit of wickedness. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Abigail and this has been High Events.